Eggplant is a vegetable rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids, vitamin C, and nasunin, which is the main antioxidant present in eggplant huss, which act in the body preventing the development of heart disease and lowering cholesterol levels. Possible side effects. The symptoms of an eggplant allergy are similar to the symptoms of other food allergies. A person with eggplant allergy may notice the following symptoms when eating or shortly after eating eggplant: itchy mouth, throat or lips, anthill urticaria, nausea, diarrhea. Eggplant belongs to a family of plants known as nightshades. People may be more likely to develop an eggplant allergy if they are also allergic to other nightshades, including tomatoes, potatoes, or peppers. Eggplant also contains a chemical called salicylate, which is an ingredient in aspirin. This means that people with allergies to aspirin or salicylate sensitivity may also be more likely to develop an eggplant allergy or an intolerance to excess salicylate. Although not common, eggplant allergies are possible. Individuals that are allergic or intolerant to nightshades should take caution.